So we've got this part of the ramp done where we set the height over here, and now we're just extending the ramp so it ramps down this way in front of the fireplace. So I've already put out some mud. I'm going to take the bar. Now this is just setting the height. This will get cleaned up and smoothed out like everything else later. Comes down here, 0. Like that. Now this is a roughed in ramp. It'll get smoothed out on this side. It'll get smoothed in on that side. That spot right there up against the fireplace ledge, I left that like that. If you start with the mud too close to the wall, most of the time you'll end up with some sort of ramp or a little like waving up the wall, and you have to scrape it off anyway. So if you leave it like this is all going to get finished again. We'll be able to finish that off, and we'll be able to use this plane to run our trowel down so it's all the same correct height. So hope that helps.